I just realized that the brake is sticking. So probably rust because I don't drive this truck a lot. She is definitely sticking. That should be turning a lot easier. Pads are in great shape. They're fairly new. Rotors are new as well. They're nice and smooth. The calipers new as well. And of course, all these brake lines, and you can see this stuff is all new, just like a year or so ago. I don't drive this truck much, so I'm guessing it's just got some rust down in here somewhere, and it's not returning. This spot right down here, it's rusty, and that has to slide a little bit in there. Not allowed to if it gets too much rust buildup. So I got the caliper off. What I did is I removed the pads, and I put a block of a small piece of metal in here and a clamp to try to return this caliper all the way to its home position, and it will not budge. It's like stuck right there. So that tells me that most likely this is bad. Could be lines or something, but all of this is new, which is surprising that this is a problem. Put the new one on, and I was able to slide it right over the disc here without any trouble. So it looks like that was probably the problem. So I couldn't get the other one to return enough to get it back on after I got it off. So I got the caliper all back together. I got the line on. My brother, he's been pumping the brake for me, and then I've been using the wrench just to crack this loose and get the air out of it. We're getting a solid flow of brake fluid, so we are good. And so what I'm going to have him do now is to make sure this is releasing. Right now, I'm able to turn the wheel no problem, as you can see with my hand. So now I'm going to tell him to go ahead and push the brake. Alright, he's holding it, and I cannot turn it. Alright, release. And now I can turn it by hand again. The caliper was the issue in this situation, so we are all set. We're just going to go ahead and reassemble this. So it's a very easy fix you can do yourself. This was $39 at O'Reilly's, and I think they're on Amazon as well. If they are, I'll put a link in the description. If you want some basic information on maintaining your vehicle, check out my free ebook and checklist down in the description. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment. Come back often for more videos. Have a great day.